Hey everybody, Cynthia here. I'm back with a quick project share on 2 accordion mini albums that I made. I used some paper from the Summer Daydreams paper collection from Photo Play. I can't remember where I got this. If I got this at Hobby Lobby or Tuesday Mornings. I'm not sure which one I got it from, but I've had it in my stash a while. So I used a mixture of papers from this. And then I also had some cut aparts and like extra summary pages from other kits and papers that I've had. And I just kind of keep it in that bag and try and keep it all together. So when I want to do a summer theme, I have them. And then I also use some papers and cutouts from the Pink Lemonade collection, and that's from the Paper Studio, and I got this maybe 2 years ago from Hobby Lobby. So those are the paper pads I used, and these are how they both turned out. I used bright yellow cardstock for this one and like a peach colored cardstock to create this one, and I'm sure you guys have seen these. They've been around for a very long time, but I do have a tutorial if you're not sure how to make these, and I will link that below this video for you guys if you'd like to give it a try. But I'll just page through them real quick. These are also available in my eBay store for purchase if you want, and I'll link that below as well. So on the bottom of this cover, I did a yellow rosette and like an orange. Made this flower out of some punches I have with a gem. And then I cut out some flip-flops from the papers and put 2 gems on those. And then I just used this popsicle sticker and popped that up on Pop Dots, which says Sweet Life. And I used one of the cutouts, ephemera from the paper, and it has Summer Daydreams. Then I fussy cut out these sunglasses and popped those up. Give it more dimension, put those there, and then I cut this out, Summer Fun. I made these 2 little banners there for the cover, and then I have this really pretty like sheer silky ribbon closure, and the edges are a little sparkly. I thought that was kind of cute. And then it just opens up. And then we have 2 photo mats here, a nice size photo mat there. And all my embellishments, when I put them on, you can get your photograph. Let's see if I have a photo here I can show you quick. You can pop your photo behind them. And this one I made a pocket and put a giant ice cream cone on because I thought that was really cute. And then I have 2 cutouts from the collection, extra tags and photo mats. Keep cool and eat a popsicle. Tuck those in the pocket there. 2 photo mats here. And then another pocket says picture perfect. I love the flip-flops. Those are my favorite. And then I have 2 more cutouts as photo mats for here. I'm going to tuck those back in. And then on the next page, there's a nice big photo mat on here as well. And that's the back page. I made like a little envelope pocket and tucked in this little photo mat here. And just used a pinwheel sticker from the collection and 3 little sticker dots. And then I have photo mat tucked in right here. And then it opens up this way. So there's another photo mat to here. I made a flower from one of my punches over here. Another corner pocket. I love this little turtle. I fussy cut him out of the paper, and it says you are my sunshine. Then I have another pull out, best day ever, and a photo mat here. And then we're back to the beginning, and like I said, it's an accordion album, so it sits like this. You could see it, you know, like this. This is what they look like when you pull them all out. They're so fun and easy to make. You can send these to your friends or relatives. They make great gifts too. So anyway, if you want to make some, I have a tutorial link below. And then this is the next one. It says fun stuff this way with an arrow. Sunglasses. I put 2 little gems on those. Lazy summer days. This was another cutout from the collection. And then I fussy cut this little mason jar with a drink. It has like a little straw there. That was cute. Made these 2 rosettes. Flower. And this one has a peach sheer ribbon, like the peach paper. Cardstock I used. And then pretty much the same kind of style as the last one. Corner pocket here. 2 pullouts. And then bottom pocket, loving this. And then I have 2 pullouts here. Photo mat here. Photo tucks behind. I love this popsicle. Reminds me of those rainbow pops we used to eat. They were like push-up pops. Oh, they're so good. Then this is the back. I made another envelope pocket, another tuck-in. Put some fruit stickers that were in the collection on this with the little dots. And then this has a fruit freeze pop, says chill out. This is like a little motorbike, I guess. Really cute. Another photo mat here with the ice pops. And then opens this way. Little flip-flops there. Made another flower over here. Another corner pocket with a cute little turtle again. Summer fun banner. Hashtag weekends. I love these. These were, is it Jolene's, I think? Stickers. It's a little bikinis. Yellow polka dot bikinis. So I used one of those down there. I thought that was really sweet. Anyway, those are my latest 2 summer accordion mini albums. If you guys have any questions, let me know. And thank you so much for watching. I will be back because I'm working on, I bought these kits a while ago. And this one is a Marvel comic kit, so I think I'm going to put a little mini album together with that. And I also have some of this Heroes, Comic Heroes paper left over from another project I did. And then I also bought this on clearance, the Cricut Marvel paper. So I'm hoping to make a couple of nice albums out of that as well. And I'll be back to share those. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and happy crafting.